Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to showcase deviations effectively in Power BI with all the latest updates for 2025. If you've ever struggled to visualize the difference between plan and actual sales, or to highlight where you've missed targets or beaten expectations, this tutorial is going to clear things up for you. By the end of this video, you'll know the best way to build deviation measures, choose smart visuals, and add dynamic conditional formatting, so your dashboards don't just look great, they tell the story at a glance. Let's dive in. Imagine we've got our monthly sales data, side-by-side planned sales versus actual sales from January through May. This kind of data is everywhere in business, right? You set a goal, measure your results, and see where you ended up, but just staring at numbers doesn't always reveal the picture. What we need is a way to spot quickly where things went off track and where we nailed it. So our first step is to create measures for deviation. This is the difference between actual and planned sales, and for percentage deviation, which tells you how far off you were compared to your plan. In Power BI, head over to Modeling and add a new column. For deviation, the formula is simple, just subtract planned sales from actual sales. If your actual sales are higher, you'll see a positive number. If you missed your target, you'll get a negative value. This measure is super important because it instantly shows your performance delta for each period. Next, we create the percentage deviation. We use the divide function in Power BI, subtract planned sales from actual sales, then divide by planned sales. Don't worry if formulas intimidate you, I'll drop these formulas in the description below so you can copy and paste them directly. Using the percentage gives even more context, especially when comparing months with different sales volumes. If in May you missed your goal by 150 units, but in January only by 50 units, the percentages will show which month was relatively a bigger miss. Now let's talk about visuals. This is where Power BI 2025 really shines. For the clearest picture, my top pick is the clustered column plus line combo chart. Set your columns to show actual sales and add planned sales as a line. On hover, make sure the tooltip displays both deviation and deviation percent. In just one glance, you can spot where the actuals fall above or below the plan and see exactly how much you're off by. This combo is like having both a scoreboard and an instant replay all at once. Another great choice, especially with the updated 2025 visuals, is the waterfall chart. Here you assign month to the category and use deviation for the y-axis. Each bar tells a story: positive for months where you beat the plan, negative where you fell short. The new smoother tooltips make it easy to get details without clutter, so people can focus on the big swings. For a high-level summary, don't skip the KPI card. Set it up to show your deviation percent and add conditional formatting. Green for performance above plan, red for below. It's the classic traffic light system, instant feedback for anyone glancing at the dashboard. If your stakeholder just wants a simple answer, are we on track or not? This is the visual you want. Speaking of color, let's make your table visual really pop. In Power BI 2025, dynamic conditional formatting for backgrounds is super intuitive. Just add columns for month, planned sales, actual sales, and deviation. Then jump into Format, choose Conditional Formatting, and set the background color using your deviation field. Red for negative, green for positive. This little detail can make your tables come alive and help viewers focus exactly where action is needed. If you find all reds in a row, you know you've got an issue, but those greens, celebrate them. Now with our small demo dataset, it becomes really clear how powerful all this is. For example, January is 50 below plan, flagged red. February is plus 150 above plan, highlighted green. Months like March and May miss their targets, while April and February give us wins. You've now got a dashboard that pinpoints exactly where targets were missed or smashed, without needing to squint at raw numbers. With these techniques, you not only calculate and visualize absolute and percent deviations, but you leverage bar charts, waterfall visuals, and KPI cards, all harnessing 2025's improved formatting and interactive tooltips. Whether you're presenting to the board or just want a clearer internal report, your audience can see the story behind the numbers with zero confusion. Thanks for watching. If this helped clarify how to showcase deviations in Power BI, give the video a thumbs up, and feel free to drop any questions or requests down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more up-to-date practical Power BI tutorials like this. See you in the next one.